Okay, today is now Saturday. Today is the day my boo, my thing, my stock blackie, Christina get tuned. Now let's see if she goes or blows. Right now we're heading over to Randy's house. Then we're gonna go to his uncle's house to get my dump tube welded because that still hasn't been done. And we're gonna go get that fixed today. And then we're on our way to Prestige Motorsports. Car made it to Randy's uncle's house, so that's good. I mean, the drive's so good. It took like a 20-minute drive to get here. Drive's pretty decent. What's up, Prince? What's up, Prince? What's up, Prince? Oh shit, nigga! Look at that dump tube. That's going out the hood into the sky. You think it's gonna blow? I don't know, bro. I really don't know. You think it's gonna blow?
Yeah, first pull. Spun a rod or some shit. Not no rod blows, nothing. First pull. I think it's gonna blow, bro.
You think it's gonna blow?
Yeah, bro. Or let's see what else.
Pass fail?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. That's a definitely.
Right now we're heading to Jason's, and from Jason's we're gonna go to Genesis Automotive and see if it'll go or blow.
Alright, so we went to the gas station, fill up gas, right? So smart ass over here decided to put his wallet on the pump. So now we got on the highway. I mean, it's about 5-6 miles away now. We had on the 95. Dumbass was looking for his wallet in the car. Guess where the wallet is? At the gas station. And guess how much money is inside? How much money is inside? $300. Cash, not on my car. $300 cash. So, guess what that money's for? Tell them what that money's for.
I don't think I'm getting tuned. If God loves me, that money will be there.
That shit ain't there, bro. I would've taken that money as soon as I pull up to that pump.
Oh shit! $300. So I got my wallet back, made it to Jason's. Mai just pulled up. He was following us the whole time. I love that front camera on the RSX. It looks so good. Randy, how was the drive, bro?
Shit, bro, we were dying to smoke.
Why you keep cursing so much, bro? I gotta bleep all this shit out.
You know you don't bleep shit out.
Jason's gonna time up the distributor, and I'm still leaking fluid in my clutch is still leaking fluid somewhere, and I have no idea where the hell it's going. So right now we're on the way to Genesis Automotive to get the car dynoed. If I would have dynoed my car without coming to Jason, which Jason's my tuner if y'all don't know, my car would have probably had a coolant leak burst. Basically, he got the car tightened up after like an hour and a half of him checking everything over. Everything is now situated. Now we're on the way to Pompano. We made it, boys. The car running rich as hell, but we made it here, and don't mind these numbers. Bro, what you think? Is it gonna blow?
I don't know, man. I just want to go home.
We just got here, bro.
Just got here. We'll see how long this shit lasts on the dyno.
You think it's gonna be
I
like
didn't
me?
vlog this time because y'all bitched it.
What upload that?
Yo, I can't hold this.
That board.
Let's see. Where the uploads at, bro? Where is the uploads, bro? Now we're just waiting for Jason to get some. When you're dynoing a car, he's getting the AFRs right before we start hitting the test pools and all the other stuff. So I don't want to make this video too boring for y'all. I'm gonna wait till you start getting to the process of dynoing it and stuff. I was running BKR 7E-11s, which would be considered an all motor plug. So now I'm swapping out to the ones I bought earlier from O'Reilly, the 7Es. They're not getting gapped by Eddie. And yeah, I'm making, I got a turbo leak, oil leak somewhere. I know you can't see down there, but it's leaking. I gotta stop half-assing my cars, bro. First pull is 221, 218 torque. That's awesome. That was what, 10 pounds. He let off at 5 grand, and that was with no VTEC. And that's 221 whatever, and 218 torque. Oh no, Jason, what you think? 1,000? Think I'm gonna hit 1,000, Jason?
Let's see, bro.
I think we're going to 1,000, bro. What you think, Ron? 1,000?
1,050.
1,050? What you think, Ron?
Stock block, guys.
Stock block, that's it, baby. 1,000. $257, $235 torque. That's third pass. This right here would be a VTEC pool. Let's see if I have fuel to compensate for this VTEC. This VTEC. $261 VTEC pool. I say 281? Oh, 281. 281, 235 torque. I made more torque on my 263 pull, on my 261 pull. I'm running out of fuel. Shit, I got a 440 pump. He's leaned it out a little bit for me because he's running rich last pull. That's how I made it 281. So he's leaning out a little bit to save me some duty cycle. I'm at 97 right now. Baby. 326, boy. Randy, bro, you still racing at the track?
If you stop at this, yeah.
If I stop at what? Where I'm at right now? I'm at 326.
Yup.
If I stop at the track, we gonna race? If I stop right now, we racing.
Yup.
You made 338, right? I think I might get it, bro.
Nah, nigga, you gonna pass my ass.
Nah, I don't know.
You hit 250, bro?
I hit 250 first roll, bro. What? You need a fender.
Jump.
You need a jump?
Then it will be a driver race.
You're right, bro. Okay, so my final numbers are 326, and I don't know my torque. I think it's like two something. I don't know. I'll show you guys once I come back up. I think it's 240 something for my torque. Yeah, I can't make any more power because my injectors are maxed out. So I definitely have to upgrade to 1000 cc or better. What?
Bro, you good at that power, bro? Power.
You still want me to make more power than you. You can't. I can't. I know I can make hella more power.
You can't.
I can't right now. I can't.
But you can't.
I still smoke your shit. That's what you doing right now, big bro.
I'm just doing a cruising now, bro.
Now we cruising now. That's reliability tower.
Reliability time, boy.
Let's get it.
You didn't do that with mine. See, you taking care of him, man. I
did all that. I did all that, bro.
I think you did it for
He
him,
said,
bro.
don't start.
I think you take care of more than me, man.
Bro, I can't get it here no more.
I probably ain't got no damn more fluid in this damn thing while we bullshitting. Zosh can't hear it.
It's all about something weird.
You can't hear it.
It sounds like super kind of.
Hell yeah. One last pull, baby. One last pull. Now I'm running out of fuel. 260 though, look, I can't look at that. That's gonna wrap it up for the dyno session. I'm leaving here with 326 horsepower.
I said 325.
I made 326 though, so you're good, you're good. Randy said my shit gonna blow. I did too, but it didn't. So that's Zosh built for y'all. I'm kidding. 326 is my power, and I made 260 foot-pounds of torque. Jason, you satisfied with today's
bro?
Smooth dyno session?
Smoothest one person ever had, bro. The smoothest.
That was what, a 2-hour session?
Amazing from you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. First time turbo car, that's good.
2-hour dyno session, baby. Beats Randy's 8 hours. Yeah!
I'm gonna Rick Bell. I'm gonna Rick Bell even have long.
270 torque. That's awesome. B20, baby. B20.
Nice.
All it needs is a diffuser, skirts, paint.
You need a spoil for aerodynamics, bro. Keep it down on the floor.
Downforce, bro.
Yeah, bro. Make it more pump.
I need camber.
That way, you ain't winning me.
I just hate how bad it looks right now. Not low. He's about to go full. It should go in the first gear. I love the way that sounds, bro. He gotta rip it on this street, bro.
That's you, bro.
That's me, bro.
That's you.
That's me,
Hey,
bro.
hey. Hey, he been wanting to boost his car for a minute. He did it. So
Follow your dreams, bro.
it's how to drive this thing, bro.
Hey, bro. Y'all can't see me, but shit.
What is this?
There you go.
All right, first pull.
It's off? For real?
Don't tag like people.
Hey, bro, I'm a hot.
Hey, that's me, bro.
Alright, do your thing. Alright, let's go. Keep blessed on the vlog, bro.
Yo! This shit fast!
That was super dangerous, nigga. That was super dangerous.
You still filming, nigga?
Oh, yeah. Moved away.
All right, now mine's going for the drive.
Second.
Huh?
Good in second?
It doesn't. Did you put it in second? Let's see you on first gear pull. All right, slow down.
My nigga, I know. He got scared.
No, it turns fast. I didn't get scared. It just turns fast.
Hey, did you hear that popping, bro?
You like that shit, bro?
Not too bad, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Can I do it first?
No, mine did a better pull than you.
I wasn't trying to go better, bro.
Are you just feeling for it?
Yeah, I didn't know what RPMs.
65. It stops at 65. It's safer.
Yeah, I know. It moves up.
Feels like yours are slower.
Well, I haven't been faster.
It feels faster.
But it shifts too fast.
Yeah, you gotta shift fast.
ain't have to stop.
Nah, I just gotta rip it on this block.
Nah, I ain't ripping it.
I love this Integra, man. So clean, bro. So clean.
Go, dog.
That's it. That is it. If you guys are ever in the South Florida area, you need parts, and if you don't trust buying stuff off people, then I recommend you guys come to Genesis Automotive. No, he didn't tell me to say this, but that's just the homie. And he has everything from GSRs, B18s, Type Rs, B16s. He has it all, man. Hey, bro, he has everything. You got a bad shift linkage? Say no more, fam. Shift linkages, tired of 4 lugs? Say no more, bro. 5 lug conversion swaps all down there. 1 Type R wheels? Say no more, fam. Type R wheels here. Hey, you tired of spinning, bro? Say no more, bro. Turbo kit, everything. There's information if you need. He has a whole bunch of stuff inside the store, but we're getting ready to get out of here. But yeah, man, this is the spot. Genesis Automotive, baby. Stopped at the gas station, let the car cool off a little bit. Look at all that smoke, bro. I hate SPA top mount. It's so stupid because I can't get to the return line. I can't do anything. SPA top mount is the worst. It's nice because it's cast iron, but the angle of it is so stupid, bro. So stupid. But letting it cool off. Me and Randy done burn our fingers. You can't even, oh, you can see it on the camera now. Yeah, we burn our fingers. Just got back home from the dyno. All right, when you gonna upload, bro? Took the transmission apart, took the casing off, trying to figure out what his problem is. See, hopefully if it's a bearing issue, if it is, then it'd be easy fixed, and if not, then we gotta just start guessing shit. Eddie said it could be, what Eddie said it could be, Rain?
Not the right throwout bearing.
Yeah, not the right throwout bearing, because you're running, I guess competition clutch sell their own throwout bearing. Wait, when you bought your competition clutch, it came with a throwout bearing, right?
Yeah, but then it went bad. Because it was kind of funny, so I changed it, remember? It was not.
I don't like competition clutch,
I love
but
it.
You love competition clutch, bro?
Yeah, I mean, it didn't fail me.
The clutch is good. The components.
Yeah, the dog bearing ass.
Yeah.
I heard a lot of bad shit with the dog bearing.
Oh my god. So it's the next morning. Bro, when I got home, I knocked out. So I got home last night. Well, I knocked out shortly after. I just was too tired to film the outro. But I opened up some parts that I got. My hub, it finally came. Now I can do my freaking steering wheel install that's over there. Wicked Whips sent your boy some fender washers. This is dope. I like the letter he sent. The letter was pretty dope. I like the way he showed your boy some love. It is, bro. Let's show y'all the letter real quick. He sent your boy a sticker too. Put a sticker on the car. So that's awesome, man. Look at that. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that, Mark. What's up, Mark? He got the Grimmins before he decided to switch things up. He did that to everybody. But if you guys would like to purchase some of these fender washer kits, that's his YouTube, That Island Boy, and his Instagram is wicked_whips with the Z. Hit him up, tell him Zosh sent you, maybe he'll hook it up for you. And I also got my American flag stickers, so I can do my, you'll see. But that's gonna finally wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, please, bro, let's just get this video to 1,000 likes plus, because, bro, I made some decent power. I could have made more power, but I'm not running bigger enough ejectors. I'm really surprised about my fuel pump, because as I said, I bought the Kimso fuel pump, and if you go on eBay, it's like 30 bucks with lifetime warranty, and it's held up fine. Well, on dyno, it didn't, you know, it didn't lose pressure, none of that. It was smooth. He said, yeah, it's good. You just gotta get bigger injectors and a map sensor if you wanna run like 12 pounds of boost. Jason said if I were to tune on 12 pounds of boost with higher injectors, like probably 1,200, so anything over 1,000, I could have made 380 horsepower or more. I would have made 350 if I had 1,000 cc injectors, same pump, no boost controller, 10 pounds of boost. I'd have made like 350, 360 in that range. So the motor has potential, bro. It's awesome. I was having fun doing a couple pulls last night with the bros, and yeah, let's see how long this one lasts me. So I'll see you guys shortly with another video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be taking my mom on a ride along, trying to scare her so I can get my clout game on YouTube up. And yeah, follow the homies Ranlo and Mai for coming through and hanging out with your boy for Dyno Day and stuff like that. Follow my tuner if you want to get your car tuned. He only tunes Honda, K-Pro, you know, all that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.